Hello everyone, I am Uday Datrak. I am planning to teach 100 plus unique web application security issues easily without any basic skills. I am planning to teach all these things in just 20 hours guys. You don't even need to have any basic skills. If you can operate a computer, you can understand all these lessons. Search in YouTube for Uday Datrak. I have already uploaded like 40 plus lessons. All these are for free. And once I complete this 100 plus lessons, as I promised, I will also teach 100 plus unique web application hacks. So now let's talk about one more security issue guys, that's called weak session expiry. So what is weak session expiry? Let's say if you have got any web application for security testing, then you have registered and you successfully signed in within the application, and then you left your browser like for 5 to 15 minutes, then the application should forcibly log you out. If it doesn't log you out, that means it's a security issue. Let's check that. Now I'm planning to register within the application, like Uday Datrak is the username. I signed up. Ignore this issue guys, it's like I was making some changes to the code. Like that's okay. Now I'm trying to log in within the application. Yes, now I successfully logged in. Now what I do is I will lock my system and I'll go out for 15 minutes or 5 minutes, then I'll come back and I refresh this page within the browser. If I refresh, this icon is called for refresh. If I am still within if I can still see internal pages, that's a security issue. The application should forcibly log you out. If you take any banking application in this world, if you left idle for 5 to 15 minutes, they will automatically forcibly sign you out from the application, because if you forget to log out, hacker can steal your, like what you say, your friend can misuse the application or someone. That's the reason the banking application take this seriously. So in order to check this issue, simply you have to sign in and then lock your system and then come back after 5 to 15 minutes. And even after 15 minutes, if the application is still, you can access the internal pages, then it's a security issue guys. Then you have to report one. So this is one weak session. And the next, I'm also talking about the next security issue that also I reported as a weak session expiry itself. So now what I will do is I'll close this browser, the complete browser. Now I completely close the browser, but still if I open the window, can I access the internal pages? What was the page? Welcome.php, right? Okay. Yep, now I cannot access. That means when I close the window, this application forcibly logged me out. But if you come across Gmail and Facebook, they will never log you out forcibly, because they gave the easy feature so that they want their customers to log in into the application. If they put that approach every time user, if he enters the credentials, it may be discomfort for them. So that's the reason the social media websites puts an easy features for the user, so that even after closing the window, they can access the internal pages without providing the username password. But if you take the banking applications, when you close the window, your account will be automatically logged out within fraction of seconds, no matter how many times you do that. So banking application take this seriously. So this is what we call it as weak session expiry issue guys. You can check it in two ways. Most of the social media applications will be having these issues. You just need to report as low level issue, because our job is to report all the possible security issues. It's up to them whether they want to fix or not. So there may not be bug bounties for this, but being you a cyber security professional, you should know about this security issue guys. Thank you.